Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read u or ta in many words. This character means many. It has 6 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ta. On its own, it is usually u. 2 evenings stacked together, many days piling up. Now let's write it. 6 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Oi, oi means many. Tabun, tabun means probably. And tasuu, tasuu means majority. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Na, read na, name. You, read you, evening. Notice the small differences. So that's da, many. 6 strokes, read u or ta. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.